Hi, thank you very much for watching My Little Life channel. In this series video, I introduce how to cook Japanese food in London, or probably anywhere else in the world. In previous video, I introduced how to use dashi in Japanese home cooking every day. In this video, I introduce how to use dashi in Western style and make a pasta sauce. Because I don't have to use things like cream and cheese and any other heavy stuff, it could be one of the most healthiest pasta sauce you've ever seen. Let's get started. So what's it dashi? Dashi means broth, and we use as a soup stock. It's difficult to explain how it tastes because nothing is similar, but it's basically very rich soup stock. Although it's made by either fish or mushroom or kelp, seaweed, it doesn't taste like them much. And most of the Japanese traditional food has got dashi in it. So if you like taste of the Japanese food generally, which means you will like dashi taste. In fact, whenever I go back to Japan, and as soon as I arrive to the airport, it already starts smelling like dashi. That's how I feel. How to make a dashi is just boil one of those ingredients. Broth contains a lot of umami taste, suitable for take dashi. Nowadays, we don't do this process in home cooking. Usually, we just buy powdered one. It's just same as cubed soup stock in Western cooking. And you can buy it from here. If you want to cook Japanese food often, this is must-have. And I also wonder how we can use the most dashi powder for Western cooking. That's why I invented this pasta sauce. Ingredients I've chosen is mushroom, ginger, and spring onion. Using large mushroom come out nice. Also, oyster mushroom worked really well if you have. And chop up all ingredients. Then for seasoning, you need 1 sachet of dashi powder, soya sauce, and you can add wine or rice wine if you have. Firstly, as a preparation, dissolve 1 sachet of dashi with hot water. Then stir-fried mushroom with little oil. When it gets cooked, add chopped ginger, and soya sauce. Then rice wine. Finally, add spring onion. Now all ingredients get together. Then turn down the heat, put dashi in it. Be careful not to try evaporate everything. If you don't have enough water, you can add in hot water from boiling pasta. That's it. How did you find it? It probably tastes more like a noodle than pasta sauce. In Japan, pasta or spaghetti is very popular, but we quite often eat not Western style. There are lots of Japanese twisted pasta, which we really like it. I hope you enjoyed the video and you find it useful. If you like this video, please check another video and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for your watching and have a good day.